Drinking apple cider vinegar before bedtime will change your life for good. Apple cider vinegar is made from apples that is very useful for help your present health conditions. You can add apple cider vinegar in different ways to use it routine meal, by drinking it straight, or you can use it with other liquids and meal if you don't like it taste. You don't believe it, but drinking apple cider vinegar before bedtime can surely improve your certain health conditions. Drinking apple cider vinegar for weight loss. When you are hungry before bedtime, apple cider vinegar is best your way. Instead of eating chocolate bar or cookies which contain a lot of fat and sugar, just mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water and drink it. You should get health benefits from your apple cider vinegar. Make sure you're drinking it raw and unfiltered. If you are not like taste of apple cider vinegar, you should mixing 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters with 1 cup 240 milliliters of fruit juice. You can also pour 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar over your salad in place of salad dressing. For wonderful result, you can drink apple cider vinegar, like with water or tea. Treats a sore throat. The bacteria is reason of a sore throat can't grow in the acidic environment created by ACV. Moreover, apple cider vinegar has amazing antibacterial properties. You need 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and consume it an hour before going to bed. Swallow another teaspoon 30 minutes later, then another one just before going to bed. Hiccups will be gone. Apple cider vinegar can activate the nerves in the throat responsible for the hiccups, due to its bitter taste. This will make the nerves to forget the need to hiccup. You need 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar and organic it. Relieves stuffy nose. ACV has lots of magnesium, potassium, and vitamins B1, B2, A, and E, which can thin mucus and clear the sinuses if you want to get good results. You can mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink before going to bed. Treatment of acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar has the quality to restore the acidity of your stomach. You should mix 1 tablespoon in a glass of water, and drink it 1 hour before going to bed. Bad breath. Bad breath. The bacteria in the mouth is responsible for your bad breath in the mouth. Moreover, ACV can kill the bacteria, keeping your mouth fresh. Just take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar before bedtime. Reduces stomachache. Apple cider vinegar is powerful for forget those sleepless nights due to your upset stomach. You'll remove the problems with cramps and gas. Just mix 1 teaspoon of organic ACV with a cup of warm water, and drink it before going to bed. Prevents indigestion. Insomnia is very similar to indigestion. Apple cider vinegar has powerful content to help you in the case of bloating and nausea. Mix 1 teaspoon of ACV and honey in a glass of warm water and drink it half an hour before going to bed. Reduces nocturnal leg cramps. The lack of potassium is assumed as the main reason of sharp pain in the legs. Luckily, apple cider vinegar has good ability of potassium, which can reduce the cramping and restore the balance of your body. Just mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of warm water and drink it before going to bed. Lowers blood sugar levels. High level of blood sugar is second common reason of insomnia. Apple cider vinegar can grow the insulin sensitivity, less the blood sugar. You should daily take 2 teaspoons of ACV before going to bed. Note: if you use medications for diabetes, you need to consult your doctor before using apple cider vinegar.